I would recommend this program to everyone, and overall, I had the best summer of my life.
I think to sum it up, I'd come to Flame University considering this as one of my safety schools, and I'm genuinely considering applying next year as one of my main priority schools. I think that says everything, and I think one thing that you cannot forget is the campus life over here, the cafes, and most importantly, the resident dogs. I think overall the nature, the sports facilities, the architecture, it's all just a very motivating place to study in.
Fellowship is one of the best programs which I've opted for. There are people around me who made me comfortable. There are cafes, there is greenery. The Arjuna complex helped me learn about different sports and expand my interest in volleyball, than track and field and football.
The overall FUSIP experience was definitely non-competitive, friendly, and something that you just want to have fun at, right? Enjoy. From my side, my personal anecdotes would be that the evening walks, the evening strolls, having fun with the guys till midnight, the ambassadors literally acting as our brothers, a remembrance to Snehan actually calling me his brother every single time. It's a personal connection that you build here, starting here on day one, ending here as well. These 10 days just flew by like a snap of finger. And what I can just say is that you can only experience the fun while you come here.
The overall experience was great. I'm thankful I came here because this was the best time I've had in any summer ever, because the faculty, the student ambassadors, the connections we made, it all just made it the best thing ever.
So my experience here at Flame was just perfect. It was a whirlwind excitement. From meeting new friends to doing so many different type of courses, from financial literacy to media to film appreciation, theatre, it was just perfect. To getting that last iced tea before the session was also very nice. Moreover, we even indulged in many kind of sports, like we did volleyball in the evening. Early morning we had yoga. It was a bit exhausting, but it was fine. At first, I was very nervous before coming here, but I think FUSIP gave me an opportunity to step out of my comfort zone, to interact with people with my age, and to experience what Flame has to offer me. To indulge in all those different type of courses, which is amazing.
If I had to put it in one word, I would say these 10 days have been exhilarating. These last few days have been the most fun I've had in a really long time, and I hope I can come back here someday and who knows, maybe do more, maybe interact with new people. But I'm really grateful to have this opportunity to meet the people I have, to interact with people on campus, and thank you, Flame University.